Clean the inside frame to eliminate the chance of contamination from bumping exposed adhesive against the frame. There are several techniques depending on the type of frame you are working with. Here we'll show you the basic steps to clean a standard frame. Adjust your sprayer to stream and flush out the gaskets, starting at the top and working your way around the window. Scrub the gasket area with a toothbrush or other small brush to loosen any contamination and flush well. Gently scrub the frame and gasket with a scrub pad. Adjust your sprayer to a heavy mist and do a fast rinse of the top and sides of the frame. Wipe off the frame with a microfiber cloth or paper towel and make sure to remove all particles of dirt. Again, start at the top and work your way down each side. If you still see debris, remist the frame with solution and lightly wet the gaskets. With a new paper towel, dry both the frame and the gasket. Make sure to fold your towel to a clean spot as it becomes dirty. Cleaning the interior window is vital for a proper and professional installation. A dirty window equals a contaminated tint job. Generously spray the window with solution, then scrub the entire glass surface with your white scouring pad, starting at the top and working your way down using a circular motion and vertical pattern. Squeegee the soapy solution off the glass and wipe the frames. Remist the glass surface with solution and use your 6-inch Triumph scraper and a new blade to begin scraping. Move across the top of the window from one corner to the other. Scrape from the top left corner down to the bottom of the window, then the top right corner down to the bottom. Scrape the remainder of the glass surface using overlapping strokes. Scrape across the bottom from one corner to the other. Spray the window again with solution and dry the frame with a paper towel. Also wipe across the top on one side of the gasket and 1 inch of the glass where it meets the frame. Now squeegee across the window, working your way down. Start at the dry edge and move across the window, drying the squeegee after each stroke. Overlap your squeegee strokes by almost half the blade and continue all the way down the window. Finish by drying the remaining side gasket and bottom of the frame with a clean towel.